So going back to caulking, guys, you want to caulk all these seams. You see that water starts dripping down, the drippage, the water tends to always come back and then down. You always want to caulk these seams right here in the corners. When water starts running here, this gets rotted, and then this whole soffit gets rotten. And that's why you see in many houses that's the main water damage or repair. Perfect example of what's wrong with this roof. You always want to leave about half an inch of the shingle popping out. Why is that? Water tends, when it drips down and it comes back a little and then falls off. So for example, that water gets on there, it gets on the drip ledge, and now it's coming all the way to your fascia. See right here, the drip ledge is farther out than the shingle. So what's going on there? Water tends to stay there, come back, effectively rotted this whole area out.